Spring is finally here, and I'm sure a lot of you are used to moving your TV inside, outside, always with the changing weather. Well, Sylvox sent me their Deck Pro 2, a completely weatherproof TV that you never have to bring inside. It can handle both rain and snow. I make weekly videos helping people like you save money on streaming services and learning about the newest tech. If you enjoyed this video, the best way to support the channel is hitting the subscribe button right down below. Sylvox's Deck Pro 2 is a completely weatherproof Ultra HD 4K TV. I think one of the most important parts of this TV is it has up to 1,000 nits of brightness. This is obviously important because it makes it perfect for partial sun. So when you have it set up on your deck like this, and you have some perfect daytime or evening sun coming your way, you're still gonna get a nice bright picture quality at all times. With that 4K resolution, you also get up to 60 FPS, and the built-in speakers are actually pretty solid. We'll talk about them a little bit later. It's also compatible with Dolby Audio, which makes a big difference. It only took a few days for my TV to arrive, and it comes in this massive box. Now, it is gonna be a little bit heavier than your typical TV because, yeah, it has this big metal framing on it, which helps both with the waterproofing and some scratch resistance. Luckily, the TV is pretty easy to pull out of the box. You just take off the 4 tabs, lift the box up, and that's it. I love that it has these built-in handles on the back. It makes it easy to grip it and move it around as you want. Part of the weatherproof design is this backing that you have to unscrew. This is where all your ports are hidden. You have 3 HDMI ports, including 1 ARC port, which means it's easy to attach a soundbar. You also have 2 USB ports, and yes, I was able to easily fit in a Fire Stick and both plug it in and power it up while still enclosing the back. And this is also where the power cord is housed. So you want to make sure you plug it in and use the little metal tab to push it in. From there, just put your covering back on, make sure all those little screws are put in, and this should be completely waterproof. The build on this thing is pretty insane. It's like this fully enclosed TV. Even the screen has some extra protection on it. So just to show you, this is the screwdriver that comes with it. And look at how intense this is. Like, it's not quite scratch proof, but like this is definitely a lot different than your normal plastic housing that you get on most TVs. It also has these waterproof buttons on the side, so you can turn the power on and off, mute, source, volume up and down, channel up and down at any time without using the remote. After that, you just have to decide if you want to utilize the built-in Google TV or if you want to use that Fire Stick that we attached earlier. The Google TV interface is pretty easy to set up. Enter your Gmail, follow the on-screen prompts, and then you're good to start installing whatever you want. You get access to the Google Play Store, which comes with thousands, millions of different apps you can install, including all of the most popular streaming apps on the market: Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+. And yes, if you want, you can also sideload on it. I went and installed Downloader, put on Kodi directly on my website, and now I can watch whatever I want. This is a very simple interface to use with a ton of customization. It makes it a little bit more cost-effective because you don't have to go put in an external device. So one thing I love is the TV's built-in Chromecast. So at any point on YouTube or Netflix or anything else you're watching, you can just go to this cast option right here. And as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi network, in this case it shows Backyard TV, you can click on that and that's going to automatically transmit it, open up the app, and we can start streaming right away. And that's just like a super simple way that you can easily access your content on the TV without having to go directly into an app, especially if you're watching sports or any other show on your phone. So it's a nice built-in feature with the Google TV. So if you know nothing about brightness, typically for outdoor TVs, with at least partial sun, you need around 1,000 nits. And that's exactly what this TV comes with. I had a chance to test it in both today-like weather, which is a little shaded over, and pretty much full sunlight, which was my first day of filming. And I have to say, in both, it looks pretty good. This is definitely 1,000 nits bright. Now, if you want something that looks amazing in full sun, this probably isn't going to be it for you. However, Sylvox does sell full sun compatible TVs that are around 2,000 nits, a little bit more expensive, but they will allow you to get a super vivid picture even with the brightest sun. So if you're out on your deck or you have a barbecue or you're by the pool, it's a really good solution. And on a cloudy day like this, you can easily enjoy sports or any other event and it looks great. Of course, one of the main reasons you're buying this is not just for the brightness, but the fact that it is IP55, which means yes, it is completely waterproof. There's no dust that's gonna get inside of it, but with constant weather changes. I live in Canada. It gets cold out. Weather fluctuates. Sometimes we get snow in April and May. This will last up to minus 30 Celsius. And if you live somewhere like Phoenix or Arizona, up to plus 50 Celsius. That's very hot for here. Must be very hot for there too. That means for most cases, you're really never gonna have to bring this TV inside or store it. It can stay out almost 365 days a year. Now, Sylvox did tell me, yes, if it is left outside in minus 40, that has potential to damage the TV and it probably won't run right. So in those really cold months or in those super hot months, you definitely wanna store this properly. And that's not that hard to do when you get one of their easy to mount brackets, or in this case, what I got here, which is their rolling cart. This thing is sweet. So it did take me a while to put this together, but this is Sylvox's rolling cart, which puts the TV almost at the perfect angle for viewing. It's easily adjustable and it hooks right on the back with this really simple mount. Check this out right here. So essentially you get these mounting brackets that go directly on the TV and it is very secure. And then you can just pick the size that you want to adjust it to. And that makes the TV very easy to hook up and attach and reattach if you ever want to change the height based on the size of the bar. It also makes the TV really easy to move around without having to mount it to your house. The wheels easily slide back and forth, and they do also come with a locking mechanism, so if you want it to stay still, that's definitely an option. Included is this little basket where you can keep your remotes and other accessories. Also, these little clips that keep your power cord out of the way, so there's no tripping hazards. Now, luckily I had a friend set up this cart because from what he told me, it was not fun. So that is one downside. Apparently the instructions weren't super clear, but once he figured it out, 2 people, they were able to get it done. And now you just have this great high quality stand that's gonna last you years with this TV. When winter comes, dismount it. That's all you need. Now, after we look at brightness and the waterproof rating, what's the next most important thing? Well, that's video quality. And this is a really beautiful 4K TV with super vivid picture. And one thing I'm also really happy with is the fact that the audio is actually pretty solid on it as well. I would say good enough that you really don't need a soundbar, although Sylvox also sells waterproof soundbars, so you could easily get one and keep it on your rolling cart as well, but it's by no means necessary. So here's a clip of my Bad Tech channel, volume at about 50% with the TV on 4K quality, and just listen to it. Products where I'm like, damn, I need to try that thing no matter the price, and this here is no exception. And now here's one more at the volume at 100%. Again, I'm sitting pretty far away and it sounds crystal clear. Products to see if they're actually worth buying. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, hit the subscribe button right down below. I honestly do not have a lot of complaints about this TV. I guess the biggest barrier for someone getting this is the price. It goes for around 2,300 Canadian. Now that price does fluctuate depending on the time of the year and what deals they have going on. The rolling cart was around $600 to $700. When you look at how much you pay for TVs, that's actually a decent price when you account for this hard metal shelling, the increased brightness, and the waterproof rating. I can definitely say if you're looking for a solid outdoor TV, I don't know if I've seen another brand that quite offers all of the features and design build that this Sylvox one does. I can definitely say without a doubt, this is a great purchase for you. I've included any links and codes down below in the description for you guys to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Like always, hit the subscribe button right down below. I'll see you in the next one.